Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Jeep Cherokee's AC system. First, we'll cover how to recognize when your AC needs attention, like if it's blowing warm air. Then, we'll go over the essential tools and safety gear you'll need to get started. It's important to use the correct refrigerant type for your vehicle, so we'll discuss that too. Finally, I'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each step. Before recharging, confirm your AC is actually low on refrigerant. Common signs include warm air from the vents or a compressor that cycles on and off frequently. You'll need an AC recharge kit, which usually includes a can of refrigerant and a hose with a pressure gauge. Ensure you have the correct refrigerant type, either R134A or R1234 if, as mixing them can cause damage. Always wear safety gloves and eye protection to protect yourself during this process. To begin the recharge, start your Jeep's engine and set the AC to its coldest setting with the fan on high. Locate the low-pressure service port, usually a larger line with an L cap. Connect the quick connect fitting from your refrigerant can to this port. Add the refrigerant in short, 5 to 10 second bursts, shaking the can between each burst. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge, aiming for a reading between 25 and 45 psi. Avoid overfilling, as this can harm the system. After recharging, check your vents to ensure cold air is now blowing consistently. If cooling is still inadequate, you might have a leak. You can use a UV dye kit or a simple soapy water solution to check for bubbles around AC components, indicating a leak. For persistent problems, or if your Jeep uses R1234 if refrigerant, which requires specialized handling, it's best to consult a professional. Regular inspections can help maintain your AC system's efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.